You might remember that last fall we challenged all of the Studio 5 team members to break out of their regular routine to do something that they've never ever done before. Now back in the fall, Studio 5 fitness contributor Melanie Douglas jumped on a horse for a riding lesson. Motherhood Matters contributor Connie Sokol took the stage to sing a jazz number big band style with them behind her. And we're calling it a fitness breakthrough for Studio 5 relationship Matt Townsend. He chose to hire a personal trainer in order to, as Matt would say, bring back the six-pack. Now, we think you'll agree that doing something that you have never done before expands your personal horizons, gives you new perspectives, and it's just plain fun. So today, Studio 5 fashion and style contributor Emily McCormick steps forward to tackle something she's never done before.
Hey, it's Emily Bell McCormick, and fashion is my thing, but today I'm attempting something that is totally new for me, a home DIY project. I have this 1927 home that I love so much, but the windows need serious help.
My name is Phil Kearns. I'm a window restorer. I work for a company called American Heritage Windows in Salt Lake City.
And I'm not willing to replace them with new windows because that's half of why I bought this house. I love the leaded glass and the way the light shines through it.
If we look at the work that it takes to restore an old one, it's very simple, painting and prep.
My fear with this is that I'm going to spend a ton of time
Keeping the old wood window in good repair might include a weather stripping upgrade, and that would keep the temperature from migrating in to out.
I don't know what I'm doing, and we'll end up having to either hire a professional anyway or replace the windows.
The old glass adds the charm of the home that it belongs in. A little bit of that always shows through quite nicely. What we have to do is simply just keep it alive.
I don't know where I start. Phil is coming to talk me through it.
It's well maintaining itself all the way through. It's getting a little moisture problem from here.
You're saying that this wood is still fine if I sand it down?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's just coming, look at that.
You know, you'll fill this joint right here with a little caulking, and then just put it with an acrylic top coat.
All right, it's harder than it looks. All right, paint is off, so it looks like I'm committed to this. Wish me luck.
And that is one big project to take on. I'm very proud of her for even broaching that. Now, it's not a project that you can complete in one day, obviously, but it is within her reach, and Emily tells us that she can actually kind of get into this DIY thing. So let's cheer on in that and can't wait to see the finished product.